every cell are stem cells, which actually help us regenerate.
Meet Dr. William Lee, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, and president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, who has significantly contributed to medical science. His work has led to more than 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He is also a New York Times best-selling author with Eat to Beat Disease, the new science of how your body can heal itself. Recently, he published a new book, Eat to Beat Your Diet, Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer.
Do foods stimulate stem cells? And the answer is yes.
In today's video, with the help of Dr. Lee, we will unveil 5 desserts that regenerate stem cells and help you live longer. As we age, our bodies undergo profound changes, demanding greater attention to our dietary choices to combat the effects of aging. Discover the power of these desserts in rejuvenating stem cells, boosting energy levels, and fortifying against age-related ailments. Number 1. Cranberry chocolate bark.
Where if you take chocolate with high flavanols and make a hot chocolate out of it, and you drink it just twice a day, 2 cups a day, for 30 days. You can start by measuring your stem cells, and this is from 16 subjects, and you can make the stem cell levels go up.
Cranberry chocolate bark is not only a delicious treat, but also packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits, particularly in the realm of stem cell regeneration and longevity. Here's a closer look at the benefits of its key ingredients. Dark chocolate is renowned for its high content of cocoa, which is rich in flavonoids, specifically flavanols. These compounds are highly valued for their antioxidant properties, which combat free radicals in the body, molecules that contribute to tissue damage and aging. Flavanols also enhance blood flow to the brain and heart, helping to improve cognitive function and cardiovascular health. Additionally, dark chocolate is known to stimulate the endothelium, the lining of arteries, to produce nitric oxide, a compound that triggers arteries to relax, lowers resistance to blood flow, and thereby reduces blood pressure.
Dried cranberries, those actually have great protein to give you energy on the hike, and they actually give you fiber for your microbiome.
Cranberries are loaded with vitamins C and E, which are another set of powerful antioxidants. More importantly, cranberries contain unique proanthocyanidins that have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a known impediment to stem cell efficacy, and by reducing it, cranberries help improve the health and regenerative capabilities of stem cells. They are also linked to improved urinary tract health and may help in managing blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Combining dark chocolate and cranberries not only makes for a treat that's indulgent, but also transforms it into a healthful one. Consuming this dessert can contribute to the betterment of your overall health by supporting cardiovascular health, enhancing brain function, and promoting cellular regeneration through improved stem cell function. This makes chocolate bark with dark chocolate and cranberries not just a sweet indulgence, but a smart one for longevity and vitality. To create this dessert, gather the following ingredients: 2 cups of dark chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of coconut flakes, and 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. Begin by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Melt the dark chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl in 30-second intervals, stirring until smooth. Pour the melted chocolate onto the prepared baking sheet, spreading into an even layer. Sprinkle the dried cranberries, coconut flakes, and sliced almonds over the melted chocolate. Allow the chocolate to set at room temperature or chill in the refrigerator until firm, about 1 to 2 hours. Once set, break the bark into pieces and enjoy your rich, fruity treat. Number 2. Vitamix Fruit Sorbet. The Vitamix Fruit Sorbet, primarily consisting of mixed frozen berries and almond milk, is not just a refreshing dessert, but also a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly beneficial for stem cell regeneration and longevity.
Well, strawberries has something called ellagic acid. In fact, ellagic acid is what's make a nice strawberry tart. So strawberries are sweet, they're a little tart, and the tartness comes from ellagic acid. Well, ellagic acid is made by strawberries. It cuts off the blood supply to tumors. It's actually good for your metabolism, burns down harmful body fat, is antioxidant, protects your DNA, lowers inflammation, as well as vitamin C in the same strawberry, and activates your stem cells. So what's not to like about strawberries?
Berries like blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries are central to this sorbet's health benefits. These berries are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and flavonoids. Antioxidants are crucial for fighting free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and lead to aging and diseases. The flavonoids in berries, particularly a type called anthocyanins, which give berries their vibrant color, have been shown to support the regeneration of stem cells, according to research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. This regeneration is vital as stem cells replace worn-out cells in the body, keeping organs and tissues functioning optimally. Almond milk provides a creamy texture to the sorbet without the added cholesterol or saturated fat found in traditional dairy. It's a good source of vitamin E, another potent antioxidant, which helps in protecting the skin from oxidative stress and UV radiation damage, thus promoting a youthful appearance. Almond milk is also rich in calcium and vitamin D, essential nutrients for bone health. This makes the dessert not only heart healthy due to its low saturated fat content, but also supportive of bone maintenance, which is crucial as we age. For this simple yet delightful sorbet, you'll need 3 cups of mixed frozen berries and 3-4 cups of your choice of non-dairy milk, such as almond milk. Place both ingredients in a Vitamix or any high-powered blender. Blend on high until the mixture reaches a smooth, creamy consistency, using the tamper to press the ingredients into the blades if necessary. Serve immediately for the best texture or store in the freezer for up to 30 minutes for a slightly firmer consistency. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you would like to see more videos featuring recipes, let us know in the comments below. Number 3. Sweet potato brownies.
A larger study, 20,000 people in Germany, showed that, that those who ate 7.5 grams of chocolate per day lowered the risk of heart attack or stroke by 39%.
Sweet potato brownies, a delicious dessert, not only satisfy the sweet tooth, but also offer remarkable health benefits, thanks to their primary ingredients: sweet potatoes and dark chocolate. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of nutritional benefits. They are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is crucial for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and organ function. Additionally, sweet potatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which helps in digestion and sustains a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. They also contain high levels of antioxidants, which combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Dark chocolate, another key ingredient, is not only indulgent, but also highly beneficial for health. Regular consumption of small quantities of dark chocolate is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease.
The purple sweet potato, tell us about it.
Right. Well, purple sweet potatoes kind of look like regular sweet potatoes, except on the inside, they've got this wonderful natural purple dye called anthocyanins that actually help to regulate your blood pressure. And so the key thing about this purple color is that if you actually refrigerate it, it actually turns much more intense. So if you've got leftovers, the next day it's going to be even more beautiful.
To create the sweet potato brownies, you'll need 1 large sweet potato, 1/2 cup of melted dark chocolate, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of almond flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. First, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper. Cook the sweet potato until tender, peel and puree. In a large bowl, combine the pureed sweet potato with the melted dark chocolate and maple syrup. Stir in the cocoa powder, almond flour and baking powder until well mixed. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, spreading evenly. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let cool before cutting into squares. Number 4. Blueberry crisp. Blueberry crisp, featuring fresh blueberries and a cup of chopped pecans, is not just a delightful dessert, but also a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly advantageous for stem cell regeneration and longevity.
Let's start with one of my favorites, which is blueberries, right? So blueberries are blue because they contain a natural dye that is colored blue that is called anthocyanin.
Blueberries are renowned for their high antioxidant content, primarily due to the presence of anthocyanins, which give these berries their vibrant color. Antioxidants are crucial in combating oxidative stress, a factor linked to chronic diseases and aging. The antioxidants in blueberries can help in maintaining brain function and improving memory by protecting cells from oxidative damage. Furthermore, blueberries have been shown to possess properties that may enhance the body's ability to regenerate new cells, including stem cells. This is particularly important as stem cells are vital for maintaining tissue health and recovery from injuries. On the other hand, pecans are not just a tasty addition. They bring their own set of benefits, especially in terms of promoting longevity. Pecans are rich in oleic acid, a healthy fat that's been linked to reduced inflammation and better heart health. Pecans can improve the antioxidant profile of the blood, helping to prevent the onset of numerous age-related diseases. They are also a good source of minerals like magnesium and zinc, essential for immune function and overall cellular health. To create this blueberry crisp, you will need 4 cups of fresh blueberries, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil, and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9-inch pie dish. Spread the blueberries in the dish. In a bowl, combine the rolled oats, chopped pecans, melted coconut oil, and maple syrup. Sprinkle this mixture evenly over the blueberries. Bake in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes until the topping is golden brown and the blueberries are bubbly. Number 5. Lemon blueberry sorbet.
Lemon and a bitter orange, and the skin is actually used to make Earl Grey tea, which has got that dark black tea with that nice citrus orangey flavor to it. And I did research on Earl Grey, showing that the combination
Lemon blueberry sorbet is not only a refreshing and delightful dessert, but its key ingredients, lemon and blueberries, bring a wealth of health benefits, particularly in the area of stem cell regeneration and longevity. Lemons are a powerhouse of vitamin C, a crucial antioxidant that helps protect cells from damaging free radicals. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in the regeneration of other antioxidants within the body, including vitamin E. By helping to regenerate stem cells, vitamin C can improve the body's ability to repair itself and maintain a healthy immune system. Additionally, lemons contain compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation and may help to reduce the risks associated with chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Blueberries are equally beneficial, renowned for their high levels of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their distinctive blue color. As previously described, these antioxidants are linked with a wide range of positive health effects, from improving brain health to aiding in heart disease prevention.
Blue comes from blueberries. Their beautiful blue color comes from a natural dye called anthocyanin. That's an antioxidant that protects your DNA, helps build your immune system, and also improves your metabolism.
To prepare this dessert, start with 3 cups of fresh blueberries, the juice of 2 lemons, and 1/3 cup of honey. In a blender, combine all ingredients and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into a freezer-safe container and freeze for about 2 hours, stirring every 30 minutes to break up ice crystals. Once it's set, scoop and serve immediately for a refreshing and tangy summer dessert. Now, if you want to learn more about recipes that can provide optimal nutrition, watch my next video where I unveil 5 dinners that can help your body regenerate stem cells.